Hey guys, mark your calendar for Tuesday, July 30th. This is AMD's earnings report, guys. This could be the catalyst that gets these semiconductor stocks going back up with momentum, okay? I do expect AMD to beat and raise on their earnings report. And at this price right now, at $150 a share, right around there, that's a great risk reward to play AMD stock, okay? Instead of being fearful right now, like you heard me say, you want to be looking at buying and dollar cost averaging. There's some good support with AMD. I don't see it going below 140 bucks a share. I could see it bouncing somewhere around 150, maybe slightly below that, okay? Before starting to curl back up as we get closer to earnings, okay? Because a lot of times that's what happens, right? The hype going into earnings, especially when the stock's been beaten up for a while, it will start reversing. And like I said, I do expect after their earnings that they're going to beat and raise and the stock price is going to be higher, guys. Possibly in the 160s, maybe go up to 170, okay? So great risk reward setup here. And AMD, I believe, is going to carve out some market share because they're going to be able to offer their AI advanced chips at a cheaper price than NVIDIA, and some customers will go with them. Also, Lisa Su, remember, is the cousin of Jensen Huang. Obviously, this doesn't change much with the company fundamentally, but I do believe the friendly competition between the two is going to be good. You know, Lisa Su is going to try to keep up with Jensen Huang and NVIDIA and keep, advancing their AI chips as well, just like them, okay? So I expect AMD to be number 2 behind NVIDIA and carve out some market share, and still the stock can do well, okay? So don't sleep on it. And then the acquisition they made, another reason why I like this company is because they bought Silo AI, which is a AI company in Europe who's well known. And this was an all cash deal, so it does not dilute shareholders either. So this is going to help their business also. That's why I think they're going to beat and raise and have some good guidance for the future and talk about the demand, okay? So don't sleep on AMD. That's a great one to buy, as well as NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA will bounce once we see the news. Like I said, also Tuesday, remember, Google and Tesla have earnings. If they talk about buying more chips from NVIDIA or anything about NVIDIA, that could even start, the semiconductor stocks rebounding this week, okay? I do expect that regardless because of going into AMD's earnings, because I think they're going to have a good report. But anyways, stay in the semiconductor names. This is your chance, if you're not in, to buy the dip and get in on this AI rally. Remember, it's still the early innings, guys. Don't let anything in the news throw you off of that. Any comments from Trump or Biden, guys, unless they're taking action, okay? This is just a dip that's going to get bought again. And we have some catalysts coming up. So jump on the train and let's go. Choo, choo. Is that better than the one time I went...